Good morning, everyone. Welcome again in a new lesson. Today we are going to focus on expressing certainty and uncertainty. So first, when we say certainty, we mean when we are sure about something, while when we say uncertainty, we mean when we are not sure about something or when we are doubtful about something. Let's get started. Okay, so as usual, we start with a dialogue with the comprehension questions. So read the dialogue and try to answer the comprehension questions. So here we have a dialogue between three people, Brahim, Salah and Ayman. So Brahim is asking his friends whether they are going to pass the exam or not. Brahim, are you sure that you will pass the exam? Salah, I am a hard-working student, so I am sure that I will pass all my exams with flying colors. Ayman, I am not certain about that, but I will probably pass the exam. Questions. Is Salah sure that he will pass the exam? What does he say? Second one. Is Ayman certain that he will pass the exam? What does he say? Can you think about the answers? So the answers. Number one, Salah is sure that he will pass the exam. Why? Because he says, I am sure that I will pass all my exams with flying colors. Ayman is not sure that he will pass the exam. Why? Because he says, I am not sure, but I will probably pass my exam. Okay, now we are going to try to reread the dialogue again and try and underline the expressions of certainty and uncertainty. Okay, so the first expression is I am sure that. Second one, I am not certain. The last one, I will probably. Okay, so let's move. Read the dialogue again and fill in the chart with the right expressions. Expressing certainty, expressing uncertainty. So here I provided translation to make things clear for you. Let's go back to the dialogue. So the expressions are, I am sure that we use it for certainty, while the other expressions, I will probably and I am not certain, we use them for uncertainty. To make things clear for you, I will provide another exercise, a helpful one. Put these expressions in the right column. Okay, so I'm not sure that, I am certain that, I'm doubtful that, certainly, maybe, perhaps, it is probably possible that, I am absolutely sure that, it is evident that. Okay, the first one, I'm not sure that, we use it for uncertainty. Second one, I am certain that, we use it for certainty. Number three, I am doubtful that, we use it for uncertainty. When we say doubtful, means we have a doubt, means we are not sure. Certainly we use it for certainty. Maybe, perhaps, it is probability, means we use it for uncertainty. It is possible, probable, we use it for uncertainty. I am absolutely sure that, we use it for certainty. And the last one, it is evident that, we use it for certainty. Now it's time for practice. Let's move to practice. First, what do the following speakers express? Do they express certainty? Do they ask for opinion? Do they express uncertainty? First one, Dennis. Do you think the measures taken to solve these social problems will lead to good results? Francois, I am uncertain that some measures are not clear for me to expect any improvement. Number three, the minister, I am sure that our negotiations will yield good results in the few coming months. Okay, first step, as we usually do, is to underline the expressions. First expression we have do you think, and we have a question mark, so it means that we are asking about something. Second one we have I am uncertain. Number 3 we have I am sure that. So the first one clear, it is an asking for opinion. Second one we have I am uncertain, means expressing uncertainty, and the last one expressing certainty. Second exercise, what would you say in the following situations? So we have 2 situations. What are you going to say? Situation number 1, the problem of unemployment in Morocco will be solved in a few years. What can you say here? The problem of unemployment in Morocco will be solved in a few years. Do you think that the problem of unemployment will be solved? Are you sure? Are you doubtful? Etc. So the possible answer, I am not sure that the problem of unemployment in Morocco will be solved in a few years. We can use I am not sure, I am not certain, I'm doubtful about it. You can use any appropriate expression. Situation number 2, sustainable development is not a dream for some economists, but a reality if we join our efforts. So what would you say in this situation? Are you sure about it? Are you skeptical? Are you doubtful? So the possible answer is I am certain that sustainable development is a reality if we join our efforts. The last one, express certainty or uncertainty using the following pictures. So we have the first picture, pass an exam, and a second one, will man travel to the moon? You have 1 minute to try to guess the answers, possible answers. So in this case you are free to choose the expressions you want. Okay, the possible answers. First one we have I am certain that Sarah will pass the exam. So we can say Sarah, we can give her other names. And the second one, I am sure that men will travel to the moon. This is the end of today's lesson. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you next time with a new grammar lesson. Thank you very much.